Maybe it's a little early for those numbers, but they do reinforce what we suspected all along.
Yeah, this summer's fire smoke was bad enough to send more people to the hospital than in most fire seasons. MTN's Dennis Bragg looks at what we've been learning.
We're all in agreement this summer's fire smoke was among the worst in decades, with Missoula County surrounded by fires burning hundreds of thousands of acres. And now the first results of a report by the Montana Department of Health and Human Services is confirming the smoke was making a lot of people sick enough to send them to the hospital.
Looking specifically at people who had complaints of cough and asthma, shortness of breath, wheezing, and other symptoms of smoke-related issues, they found that compared to the same time period in 2016, which if you recall was kind of a quiet smoke year, we don't have much smoke, there's a 2.3 times increase in the number of people going to emergency departments for those respiratory-related issues.
This state report is separate from a specific study by the University of Montana analyzing the fire impacts in Seeley Lake. And Cofield says the number really doesn't come as a surprise because health officials have been hearing reports all summer of people being sickened by the choking, never-ending smoke day after day. But it's useful because of confirmation of what they're hearing with hard numbers based on zip codes for Missoula and Powell counties.
There's a lot of ways you can take this and look at it more closely and parse some different things out. But from just a very first broad look at it, there was a definite increase in the number of people going to emergency departments with respiratory concerns.
This report, along with the UM study and other research, is going to help the health department and other agencies as they consider ways to modify the warning system so advisories can be more useful in years when there's extreme fire smoke.
It's sad that we can see such a clear uptick, just because it means that many more people were suffering compared to when there isn't smoke. But it is also nice to have science and understand what was going on, and hopefully that will give us some good information for going into future smoke years on what we can expect.
In Missoula, Dennis Bragg, MTN News.
Now, Dennis tells us more detailed reports of this summer's fire smoke impacts aren't expected until next year, but I think it's great that they're researching that. Hopefully we can come up with better advisory plans as we approach the potential next fire season.
Seeley got hit so hard.
And that smoke completely surrounding them for such a long period of time, too. I think that's the other factor is, too, that this fire season started early and is still going on. We still have active fires in the state of Montana, so it was just a compounded problem because of the length of it and the conditions that were all set up for that. So more to follow.
Even just one day around it, I mean, you could feel it.
Well, yeah, we have no fires really close here, but the Gallatin Valley completely covered in smoke many times. Butte suffered with it terribly this year as well. So they're going to study it, and hopefully we can learn something out of it.
Absolutely.
Can't wait to see what's going to happen.